Hello everyone, I am Manjunath Bhatt and today I'm going to introduce you to the chessboard. This is for very beginners who are learning the fundamentals of chess. Okay, the game of chess is played on a perfectly square board of 8 into 8. Okay, there are 64 squares on a chessboard, alternating between dark squares and light squares. Okay, or white and black. We usually call them light squares and dark squares, as the pieces are called white and black. So we don't want to confuse. So we call the squares light squares and dark squares. Okay. When you face a chessboard, okay, make sure that the right hand bottom corner square will be a light square. Okay. Either from white side or from the black side. See, their right side, this will be their bottom. So bottom right corner square, this will be a light square. If we are white, this will be our right hand bottom corner square, and this should be a light square. Always put the chessboard like this. This is a very important when setting up pieces. We need to make sure that we should have light square on the bottom right hand corner. We can remember if this is like this. Before we fight, we should have light on the right. Okay, and so in chess, this column is called file. Okay, column is called file, and the rows are called ranks. So you can see these letters here from A to H. So this is A file, this is B file, this is C file, this is D file, this is E file, this is F file, this is G file, this is H file. Similarly, you can see these numbers here 1 to 8. So these are the number of the ranks. So this is first rank, this is second rank, this is third rank, this is fourth rank, this is fifth rank, this is sixth rank, this is seventh rank, this is eighth rank. So the columns are files, the rows are ranks. Then what is this then? These are diagonals. Okay, the slanting lines like this, these are diagonals. So this is A1 to H8 diagonal. Okay, yeah. When I say A1, let's go and discuss about that also. So the squares have, each squares have their own names. Like file has a name, that is A file, like this, and this rank has a name, this is first rank. Like this square which falls on A file and first rank, so this square's name is A1. Always alphabet first and numbers later. So it's alphabet and number. Not 1A, this is A1. Likewise, this square is B2 because this is on the B file and it is on the second rank. B file and second rank makes it B2. Similarly, if we take about this, if we say this square is on the E file and it is on the fourth rank. So this is E4. The square name is E4. So that is about the notation of the squares. Likewise, each square you can say A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, F3, G8, H4, like this. Okay. And one more thing to notice is every file has 8 squares and every rank has 8 squares. Every rank has 8 squares on it. Every file has 8 squares in it, whichever file you take. But unlike this, the diagonal is different. This diagonal has only 2 squares on it But if you consider this diagonal, there are 8 squares on it. Depending upon the whichever diagonal you choose, there are different number of squares. See, this diagonal has only 4 squares. Okay, that's one more thing to make note of. Okay, this is about the chessboard. Okay, in our next chapter, we will learn about the pieces. Okay, chess pieces. Thank you all.